Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and today's video is a vlog. I'm going to take you along with me and show you the day in the life of a part-time reseller here in California. So we are going to ship together, we're going to sort through my Thredup rescue box together, show you a little bit about how I do inventory and all that fun reseller stuff. So stay tuned, here we go. Good morning, friends. It's Quenby. Welcome to the start of my day. I'm recording this first thing in the morning because today I'm going to do a day in the life of a reseller vlog. If you happen to be new to my channel, hi and welcome. I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell mostly clothing on Ebay and Poshmark. And today I'm going to take you along with all the things I do in the life of a reseller, which is why I have messy hair and a totally cash look. What's on my agenda so far for today that I'm going to take you along with me for? I have a Thredup box from my Thredup rescue box unboxing, a woman's box that's sitting in my living room. I have to sort through that, maybe take some photos, maybe look online for some sourcing opportunities with wholesale or thrift stores online, all sorts of things. So come along with me. I thought it would be fun to just do the day together. But first things first, we need coffee. Come with me, let's make an espresso to start the day. Okay, I already filmed a Thredup rescue box unboxing. This is the women's mixed clothing box. I got this amazing 100% silk Diane von Furstenberg top that I really want to keep. But when I'm done filming a video for you guys, I sort the items into like items. So I put all the tops together, all the pants, all the jackets. That really helps me when I go to photograph later. Many of you know I love a good mystery box, and Thredup rescue boxes have been really great for me lately. It's a fantastic way to get inventory right to your door and a really low cost of goods for me. I have not been thrifting since March due to the pandemic, so I'm so grateful for Thredup. Mystery boxes are always a risk though, so only spend what you can afford to lose because sometimes you get a dud box. I have been getting fantastic boxes, and I'm really thankful for that. Okay, friends, welcome to my inventory and storage area. After I sort my Thredup box or whatever haul I have into like item piles, I hang it up on this hanging rack next to my photo area. I find it so much easier, you guys, if I have things sorted by like item ready to photograph. So I put all the tops on hangers right next to where I take photos. I'll show you that photo area later in this video, but I hang up all these tops so that they're ready for me to photograph all the like items. That's called batching it, and it makes it so much easy for workflow for me. And you can see I've got all my inventory stored in bins. I put them in plastic bags and store them in bins, and this is all in my garage. Nothing glamorous about it, but it totally works for me. And here's my partner Peter. We're having a bit of a laundry reseller emergency over here where I washed a bright pink Victoria's Secret jacket with my inventory, and the hot pink dye leaked all over everything. So Peter's trying to sort that out for me. Here is the haul from my Jomar wholesale unboxing video. This is a men's 40 items of pre-owned clothing box. I got some amazing jeans, so you definitely want to check out that video. It's another great way to get inventory shipped right to my house, so I need to sort this haul as well. Up on the channel, I also have my Victoria's Secret pink haul that I also got from Jomar Wholesale, so I've been really happy with what I've got from them. I do have a 10% off link in the description. Here I am in my photo area. So I'll talk to you a little bit about how I'm currently doing photos. I've been using a mannequin again for my tops and dresses. I've gone back and forth between hanging them on a hanger and using the mannequin, but I'm back into the mannequin again. This is in my garage. Peter just painted one wall a bright white for me, and I take photos right here using my lighting kit. So I'll show you my lighting kit in just a minute, but I think it's really great to have a lighting setup so that you can take photos no matter what the weather is or no matter what time of day or night it is. And here's my lighting kit. It's called Limo Studio. I have it linked in the description below. I've been using it for years. A lot of resellers use it. And here is the wooden hanger I use to take photos of pants, or when I'm not using my mannequin, I just hang it right up there. I've always liked that simple, clean look. These are a pair of Lululemon pants I got in another Thredup women's rescue box.
Subscribe to Grateful Queen.
And here is my absolute favorite room in the house, my closet. Yes, I have a little bit of a Free People boho clothing addiction, but I'm in Northern California and it's often foggy and cool in the morning, so I have my long sleeve Free People waffle on. It's time to put on a short sleeve. Ta-da! Short sleeve, another Free People top. This is one of their graphic tees with the crochet knit bottom, and I bought it, where do you think? Of course, on Poshmark, probably from one of you guys. So yes, I check Thredup every day. Did you know you can actually earn points by checking Thredup each day? I go here to rescues, my favorite area. You know I love a Thredup rescue box, and I just check and see what they have. Mixed clothing, women's, 25 items for $60. I buy that one a lot. I like the DIY denim, but it's not often up. It's just not often for sale. I have never done the boys or the kids. I'm not interested in scarves. Men, I've done a lot and I like it. Let me show you something else, because this has come up for people a lot. This is where the outlet is. See this tab here? It says Women, Kids, Outlet, or Clean Out. Clean Out's if you're selling to Thredup. Now, not everybody has this tab, so let me know in the comments, do you have it? And the thing I love about this is 20% off if you buy 5, 30% off if you buy 10, 40% off if you buy 20. So I like to look in here and I like to sort by my favorite brands that sell well for me, and also sizes. I sort for bigger sizes. I haven't found anything on there these past few days, you guys, but keep checking back to see if you have the outlet. I know not everybody has it yet.
Yeah, but some stuff it doesn't get right. Like, look. Stuff.
Okay, so I made it through another block of homeschool with my son. I am so not cut out for being an online homeschool teacher, but we're making it happen. And now it's time to do shipping. I've already got most of my shipping ready to go out the door for both eBay and Poshmark. I'll show you how I do shipping really easy and simply at home using my Dymo printer. I have not had to rebuy ink, which is awesome. And I like to ship out every day, but I don't put that in my eBay descriptions or anything. I don't guarantee one business day shipping. I have like two business days on there just to relieve the pressure of having to feel like I need to ship so fast every day if I can't get to it. I usually do get to it, you guys, but I just feel more comfortable not having that as like a guarantee. So I'm gonna pull just the few items I haven't done yet, and we'll ship and go to the post office. Here's my shipping area. I've had this same Accutech scale for years. It costs like 20 bucks. It's linked in my description. And a label printer, game changer. I absolutely love it. I just store my shipping supplies right down here. And these are the cards I had made with my logo. I did that on Fiverr, got a logo, which was really fun for me. And I put these cards in with each package. Hey friends, time for some shipping. I know some people don't love shipping, which I don't quite understand because I love it because it's so organized. You know, I have my nicely, neatly folded packaged items. I put them into an envelope, stick a label on, and it just feels like so orderly and so done. So I totally love it. Let me show you what's sold. These 3 items today. This is a Holding Horses by Anthropologie, size extra small, like Western snap front with the pearl snap buttons. Sold for $18 on Poshmark. These Lululemon leggings sold on eBay for 20 bucks plus shipping. This style, they're a cropped legging, but they were kind of an older style and they've been sitting around for a while, so I think that's why I took a low offer. These are Jessica London plus size 20 tall pants. I got these in my Jomar Wholesale box. It was a plus size box. I got a super good deal on it. The video looks like this. It's up on the channel. Check it out. I've been really loving what I'm getting from wholesale, Jomar Wholesale stuff, and I've been doing Jomar Wholesale unboxing videos, so there's plenty of those on the channel to check out. These surprised me. They're Gloria Vanderbilt, not like an amazing brand or anything. Size 16. I got them for free when stay-at-home fire stuff. I'm in Northern California, so now I've got wildfires on the brain. When stay-at-home and COVID first started, and I put something out on Nextdoor app to get some free inventory, somebody gave me a few pairs of these Gloria Vanderbilts, and these sold for 13 bucks plus $4.99 shipping, and I got them for free, so I'm fine with that. Check it out. Special guest appearance.
Subscribe and leave a like on the video.
Okay, so let me show you just the specifics in case you're curious of how I do shipping. My number 1 rule so that I never mess anything up is I only have 1 item on my table that I'm dealing with at a time, these Gloria Vanderbilts, and I'm gonna weigh them on my awesome scale. You need this scale in your life. It's cheap and it's reliable. 15 ounces. I charged $4.99, so that's good. And then, hold on, I'll show you my envelope and everything. So I'm on eBay and I have a store. It's not the basic, it's the one up. I think it's like the Premier or something. And I get a $50 coupon every single month to spend on eBay supplies. So I have all these free poly mailers and stuff. So I put it in there. I'll put the Gloria Vanderbilt pants in there. And then I stick one of my cards in there. Like I either put one of my little ones or big ones. And I ship that baby off. Okay friends, it has been an epic day. I just dropped Torvald off to visit his dad. It's about 4 o'clock. I have to go home and get ready for Live at 5, which most Fridays on this channel, I go live to have a reseller community night. So that just means resellers get together and talk about all things reselling, and we ask questions and support each other. It's my favorite video that I do. So I have to go home, get set up for that. Here on YouTube, and tonight is Friday. It's Friday, August 28th, 2020, and Fridays a live video called Live at 5. It's a reseller community night. So it's just an opportunity for people that resell online to get together and talk about all things reselling related.